Hello, my wonderful subscriber. How are you all? A warm welcome to our YouTube channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends, this is our YouTube channel, and we are doing our best to suggest you how yours will be the best style every day. So, friends and my lovely viewers, we have a huge variety of anything which is related to your fashion. And if you have an impressive sense of fashion, we can definitely learn something from you. So friends and my lovely viewers, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of crochet styles, midi dresses for lovely women. My dear viewers, these crochet designs, midi dresses, are picked very carefully with the vision that every article suits you in every way possible. So friends and my lovely viewers, a humble request to all of my lovely friends to please watch the full video of these designs and also press the bell icon so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you like my video, then surely notification bell will definitely help you daily to get my fashion updates as soon as I publish them. My dear friends, in this video you will see the wide range of dress designs for any occasions. Make your memories more special with one of our dress designs. It will add some more beauty and gorgeous look to your personality. Friends, to see all your favorite designs, watch the video till the end. Our dresses are guaranteed to get you all the stares, so get them before they are gone. Trust us. So friends, this is our today's video. We hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you can never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. Friends, I will wait for your kind comments and also try to answer all your queries of any type of fashion you need. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video, and if you are having any problem with type of outfit, let me know. I will definitely try to help you. Friends, take care of yourself. Love you all.